For accurate weather forecast and live news, subscribe to our Skymet Weather YouTube channel. Press the bell icon and do not miss on any of our weather news.
Welcome to Skymet. This is the weather brief for South India. We know that the southwest monsoon has already entered Kerala now. Skymet prediction that it should be around this time and it holds good. We had fair amount of rainfall activity. As we see in the AWS, these are the Skymet AWS installed over the state of Kerala in large numbers. Requirement is about 2.5 millimeter of rainfall on 2 consecutive days and some specified stations. And yesterday also we had observed, and today also the rainfall amounts are fairly high at many stations, starting with the Trivandrum and then going northward, even Abim, Kozhikode or so, we have fair amount of rainfall. Extreme north, yes, it was a little less, Mangalore and adjoining region, but then otherwise fair amount of rainfall that was there. The satellite picture also showed good amount of clouds, but now coming to the surface charts which we have, see now there is a low pressure area likely anytime which is over this region, which Southeast Arabian Sea adjoining Lakshadweep area. There is a low pressure which is going to become well marked. Actually this low will become even a depression also, and it will start shifting north-northwestward almost parallel to the coast. By a beam, when it's Goa or a little south of that, it should become even a depression at this stage, and then depression chance to become even a deep depression also the moment it shifts closer to the coast. This is the time when a lot of rainfall is expected over coastal Karnataka, Goa shifting further northward, and Mumbai should have a good rainfall, heavy rainfall around 3rd itself. Between 2nd, 3rd, 4th, the rainfall amounts are going to increase, peaking on 3rd. Kerala will have increased amount of rainfall. We got to watch out for the next few days actually. It's set now, most stations already, the pace is already set, and then it should be increasing also all along the coastline going northward. The rainfall in the next 24 hours, we will see all along the coastline and going even deep inside. We see right up to Goa the rainfall is increasing. Okay, there will be heavier rainfall in pockets, particularly off Karnataka when the system reaches, and then thereafter even Goa and Abim, Konkan region, it will be heavy to very heavy rainfall. We got to watch out for this activity, as this will be associated even with the strong winds also all along the coastline, starting with coastal Karnataka and going up to Konkan region. This is the weather information so far from Skymet. Keep connected with us for further information. Thank you.
Keep your family healthy by downloading Skymet AQI app and tracking air pollution of your location in real time.